Hey, what's up? What's up? So I'm just gonna make a recap of the trade house yesterday, the levels that we were looking for, and what happened. So let's start with DXY. So on a daily perspective, of course, we have that lower low here and also lower high. So I was expecting a reaction at this level here, 102.800 ish, and we had a nice reaction here today at this level. Started to reject it, and I said if it rejected, we can possibly see it get back to this level here, 102.400, right? And it did. Nice reaction on DXY for that. And if we look on gold, so two area I was looking for gold. If we go on a daily perspective, do we have something? Yes, of course. So on a daily perspective, we have this top here, right? So if you go on 4 hours, so I was expecting some sort of reaction at 1934 level. It did push it up. So I did position myself here for at least a TP1 here for gold. And then the next level we were looking for, it's 1930. So gold's night, boom, 1930. So on the 4 hours, we can see it. This level play out, the top there became whoop, the new bottom. So nice reaction on gold at 1930 and also 1934, at least TP1. So USD. So USD, I did, of course, took a short at this level here, but unfortunately, I didn't hold it. But we had a nice reaction and then a drop. So we were looking for at this level here, the reaction. So we did have a nice reaction here at this bottom here. Boom, at least TP1, right? I didn't manage to enter here. Have a nice reaction. And then if we go on the 1 hour. So since this level here, we're starting to lose some momentum. And the momentum is starting to go to the downside, right? Nice reaction here, boom. And then we broke this level, became what? The top here. Nice TP1 if you manage to enter here. The break and retest, boom, at least TP1 fell that lower low, and then whoop, push it up to this level here. So kind of a nice setup here on USD. So either here for a buy or either the break and retest, whoop, dropped, and also here if you bought it, right? So that is for USD. On NAS, so for NAS, let's go on the daily. We have something on the daily. Yeah, so what I said yesterday or Monday on the trade house is we had a first sign of potential reversal. Why? Because we have that lower high here. So the lower high, it's a first sign that it might reverse, right? And another confirmation that it might go on the other direction is a lower low, right? So I was paying attention at this level here. So you see, reject once, get back one here, rejected, and then 1-2 tap confirmation, whatever it is, right? This level got respected and then shoot it to the downside. I was paying attention at this level here. We have a little breakout there, not very clear, but at this, with the line there, broke below, boom, became the top, and then whoop, dropped. So nice reaction on NAS for that. JPYX. So JPYX. So we were looking at this level here. Nice reaction. Have that higher high. And then yesterday, So I was paying attention at this level, nice reaction, higher high from this level here, higher high, and then whoop, this level up top became the new bottom, shoot up to here, and then break below this, and I was expecting some sort of reaction at this level here. We have it, boom, drop, be able to close above the level, and then whoop, push it to the upside. So what I said is we have a higher high from this level here. So since we have that higher high, the levels that we can potentially see some reaction is this level here or this level. So both area got respected. And then boom, shoot up, right? GJ, do we have something on GJ? So GJ, yes, this was today. Yep. So two levels I was looking at GJ is this level here. Reject one time, boom, two times, three times, four times. So here, if you manage to short, would be nice. And then, or you're waiting for the breakout of this level here. We did have it, boom, break and retest. So if you play this level here, boom, shoot down. And I was looking at this level here also. If we have a nice breakout of this level, I said we can potentially see a reaction at this level here. So we did have it. So if you're short here, you play the break and retest, it will play in your favor. And if you were paying attention at this level here, of course, it shoot up. And then what happened again is with the same line, right? GJ did push up, but we're able to close below the zone there, boom, and then shoot down to the next level that I was looking for, maybe some sort of reaction. So here for GJ. So kind of a good market structure here. GU, do we have something on GU? So yeah, I was paying attention at this level here, here, and here. So we kind of have a good reaction at this level here. Right, nice rejection and then shoot up. So I said if potentially the price get back to this level, we can see go back up at this level here, and then whoop, can push it up more. If it push it up more, that will be the next level here for GU. EJ, do we have something on EJ? So yeah, EJ here. Nice reaction at this level here. Whoop, did push it up, right? At least TP1, and then have a nice breakout of the level here. So kind of have a good reaction also on EJ. CJ, do we have something on CJ? Yeah. So CJ, I like this structure. Pretty clean, right? Starting to lose some momentum to the upside, starting to have lower highs. And I was looking for this breakout. So break and retest here. And again, the zone here, right? Push it up, but able to reject again. Nice closure right below it, and then whoop, shoot down. And I said, okay, potentially if the price reject this area, we can see it to this area. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful reaction on CJ, to be honest. All right. EU, do we have something? So I'm still looking at this level here for EU. So not much on EU. EC, nope. So yeah, this was a quick recap of the trade house yesterday. And also if you want to know more about trading and you're a beginner, we have the beginner pack on the website. I'm gonna put it on the description below. And also if you want to have access to the trade house, we also have that for you, and also the private mentorship. So have a good one. I hope you enjoyed this little recap, and see you on the next one. Peace.